Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Jenny here, the Uncrafty Crafter. We have a fun little package today that I'm going to open. I'm excited because I've been waiting on this. It did come Amazon Prime. So I'm going to go jump straight into and open this up. I don't want to. Well, I could try to tear it, I guess, and see. Usually that doesn't work for me. So cut it here. See if I can tear it the rest. There we go. I'm always afraid I'm going to tear into the stuff, you know? Okay. Let me peek in the bag and see real quick. Okay. Fun, fun, fun. Dun, dun, dun. That's what it is. It's just a plain white little bag for my diamond painting accessories. Plain white little bag. Hold on while I open it up. See if I can find where to open it up. Oh, here we go. Okay, it's not plain. I lied. I'm sure that you were like, yeah, right. We know it's not plain. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I love the turquoises and blues in this. Super pretty. And yeah, it's the perfect size because I keep like my little accessories. I thought that had another little tag on it right there. Did that fall off? I don't see it in the bag. You know what I mean? Like a little pull tab to hold on to when you pull it. But I'll show you what I'm using currently. I'm using this little bag that my sister gave me. I think it was one of her monthly, like Ipsy. Yeah, it was an Ipsy bag. With this cute little stone on it. Can you see how cute that is? But yeah, I keep some of my goodies in there. Like my reading glasses. Patty wax. A couple pins. Just some goodies that I use, you know, when I diamond paint to keep it all together. So I thought that this would be fun to do. And this has got it's an actual, for those that don't know, I mean, I know many of you know already, but these symbols and stuff will be covered with special drills in special shaped, like rhinestones. So you open it up, and look at what we have. Oh, yep, look, there's the little tassel that hangs on the keychain, or the chain thingy. You get your little green bow and a pin, some wax, and then there's like a long gold chain if you want to use the bag as like a shoulder bag. Cute, cute, cute. And let's see what else. Here are the drills. Look at the pretty rhinestones. Pretty different colors in here. Let's open this up. I think this will be fun to do. Maybe do it like together one day. Maybe like a small whip and chat. I think would be fun if I can get a hold of this and pull it off there. Yeah, here are the pretty colors and some of the special shapes. This little baggie's got 3 little pearls, looks like, in it. You can see that. Aside from the glare. And that's it. The inside of the bag is just lined with a nice little, like, feels kind of like waterproofish. But yeah, I'm excited. I think it'll be fun to put all my goodies in. Let's look at these. These are pretty. Blue, like sapphire-ish. And then we have some little turquoisey ones that are special shaped. These. More little blue ones. Those are the pearls I showed you. Oh, these are pretty. They're like rainbowy like kind of remind me of an AB. But they're like a pretty shape. I like those. And these yellow ones, those are really pretty too. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then here are the rhinestone drills. This turquoisey blue, regular blue, like a, I don't know, kind of like a medium blue. An orangey pink. That looks kind of orange in the camera, but when you move it around, it's got a little bit of a pink cast to it, which is hard to see in the camera. And this one is a darker blue. And then some more little turquoisey ones, like aquamarine-ish. Super pretty. I think that's going to be fun, fun, fun. Take a look at this bag up closer. None of these parts will be drilled. The only part that will be drilled will be this here in the center. And you can see that the little symbols are all clear. So you know where to put everything. Yeah, this is going to be fun. Super fun. Fun, 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 fun. And I did get this on Amazon. I'm thinking it was right about... I'm thinking it was a little over 10, like maybe $12, $13, something like that. But yeah, I think it'll be really fun. Let's open this bag up here and see. The little boat, pin, the chain. There's another little clippy-doo. Clippy-doo. So the chain is plenty long to hang on both ends. Let's see if I can get this to open up out of there. Clip it on that end. Clip this end. I don't think that I would ever carry it like this. But you never know. It'd be fun. So yeah, now you have a little shoulder bag. Get these out of the way without losing them, because that would be my luck. So there's a little shoulder bag. And then here's the tassel that goes on the zipper, which is right here. And I'm assuming you use this clip to clip on. Stick it through there. Like this. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. And then probably have to have a pair of pliers, unless it's easy to twist on there. Well, if I can get a hold of it. I don't know if I can. Yeah, I'd have to have a pair of pliers to push that too. But you get the gist. Super cute. I like it a lot. Very, very, very cute. So, yeah, I'll plan on doing this. I might do that this week for my whip and chat, on which I try to do on Thursdays. So, we'll see how that goes. See if it's very sticky. Yeah, it's really sticky. Yep, it's super sticky, super sticky. Good deal. Good deal. All right, guys. Well, I hope that you like this video. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic week. I hope that you had a great weekend. So, if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I would appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, ding, 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 to be notified the next time I put up another video. And until next time, have a great rest of the week, and Thanks for stopping in, and I'll see you soon.